What's up, guys? Welcome to Modders Inc. My name is Paulie, and we recently just wrapped up coverage of PAX East. One of the biggest perks of going to these conventions as media is by far the swag that the vendors and sponsors give you. So, we're going to be taking a look at one specific piece of swag that I picked up at PAX East, but stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to be giving away something else that I grabbed there too. So, let's jump into this. That's right, guys. I walked out of PAX East, wheeled out of PAX East with Corsair's 2018 T1 Gaming Chair, and this thing is a beauty. I gotta thank the guys at Corsair for allowing me to take this chair home with me. So let's jump into it, take a look at this chair, and see what features it has that the other chairs just don't offer. One of my favorite features of this chair have to be the armrests. Unlike so many chairs on the market that have hard plastic armrests that aren't that comfortable, Corsair has put padding on their armrests. It's a small feature, but it's one that I really appreciate. And if you sit there gaming or typing for a long time, you'll notice a difference and you'll appreciate it too. The armrests are really versatile too. They move up and down, slide back and forward, and in and out into a couple of different positions. So you can really position the armrest to be the most comfortable way for you depending on how you're using the chair. Me personally, when I'm typing, I like to have them up higher and kind of straight on, but when I'm gaming, I move them around a little bit. They're a little bit lower, and I have them pushed all the way back so I can get as close to the keyboard as possible. Love it. And again, they're just so comfortable compared to my older chair that I can't say enough good things about the armrests. So one thing a lot of people don't take into consideration when buying a chair is how loud it's going to be when you're moving it around. Traditional office chair wheels, they're not that quiet. Even some of the newer higher end gaming chairs don't have the quietest wheels. One thing I really like about the Corsair T1 Gaming Chair is it has like rollerblade type wheels that are whisper quiet when they're rolling across my hardwood floors. I move my chair around a lot, and it gets really annoying when you're moving around a chair that just is loud and clunky sounding. So here's a clip comparing the Corsair T1 to my old chair that I've had in this office for a couple of years. There's a pretty big difference in sound between those two chairs. I really like the aesthetic of the rollerblade style wheel on this chair, and again, they're just whisper quiet moving across my hardwood floors. The neck and lumbar pillow are a really important feature to any chair. Yeah, you don't have to use them, but they come with them, so you might as well get the best one you can get. I've had chairs before where I've used both the neck and the lumbar pillow for months on end and the foam just won't break in and it's just too stiff. Then on the other hand, I've had ones that are the exact opposite that are so soft that it's like they're not even there. The lumbar pillow is great. It offers a lot of support for your back, and I have a bad back, so it helps out a lot. The neck pillow is really comfortable. Again, soft, it's not too stiff. They both feel like they're kind of broken in and they've been used for a while. And I really like both the lumbar and the neck pillow on this chair. The T1 Gaming Chair is made out of leather and there's plenty of padding. It's very comfortable. I've sat in this thing for hours on end and have had no issues. I even slept in it one night. The chair has a tilt function that adjusts up to 10 degrees. On top of that, you can recline this chair from a 90-degree angle all the way back to 180 degrees, laying you down completely flat. Perfect if you want to take a nap. So I want to thank everybody for watching our overview of the Corsair T1 Gaming Chair, and a huge thanks to the guys at Corsair for letting me leave PAX East with this thing. There'll be links in the description below if you guys are interested in buying it. It's a beautiful chair. I highly recommend it, especially if you're in the market for a new gaming chair. You can't go wrong with the T1 Gaming Chair from Corsair. Also, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that I had something to give away to one of you guys. All you have to do is be subscribed to Modders Inc. here on YouTube and leave a comment on this video. At the end of April, I'm going to pick one name from our list of subscribers who commented on this video, and I'm going to give away this shirt. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and stay subscribed to Modders Inc. if you'd like to see an unboxing of a mystery graphics card I have right here. You can also follow us on all the social media such as Facebook and Twitter. We now have a Modders Inc. subreddit, and we have a Twitch channel that we all stream from time to time. So thank you again, guys, and I will see you in the next video.